Webtoons are the hottest way to experience your favorite stories, all in a vertical format perfect for your phone. Want to create your own webtoon? You're in the right place. Making a webtoon can be daunting. You need to brainstorm characters, perfect each shot, capture expressions, poses, backgrounds, and then color everything. Sounds time-consuming, right? That's why we developed Dashtoon Studio, a revolutionary, free, AI-powered tool to make webtoon creation a breeze. With Dashtoon Studio's cutting-edge technology, you get the ultimate sidekick to help you craft stunning webtoons effortlessly. Stick around to see how easy it can be. But how do you make a whole comic using the platform? Step 1. Prep. Plan out your panels. Choose the art style for your webtoon. And then select the characters. You can also train your own characters on Dashtoon Studio. Step 2. Images. Generate your panels by selecting the mode you want. Text to image, storyboard to comic, or live mode. Watch this video to learn how our image generation technology works in detail. Step 3. Edits. Now, we've got some images that are close to what we want, but not quite perfect. Here's where the editing tools come in. There are many ways to take an image that's almost what you want and tweak it until it's exactly right. Let's try making the cape a bit longer. First, select the brush tool to paint it. Once done, select the mask tool to mask the painted area for inpainting. Next, set the number of images you want to generate, then set the strength value. The strength option controls how closely the AI follows your image. A higher strength means the AI will make more changes, while a lower strength keeps it closer to the original image. Let's set it to around 0.4 and enter the prompt. Now let's click In Paint. Now, let's change the background while keeping the character. We'll use the Remove Background tool. Just click on the tool and wait for the magic to happen. As you can see, the character is now separated. Simply drag and drop it in your desired frame or image. Step 4. Bubbles and dialogues. Add your dialogue bubbles, dialogues, and narration wherever you want. You can also customize the fonts, sizes, and color using our comprehensive set of tools. Step 5. Finishing touches. Add the background and finishing touches to finalize your webtoon. Step 6. Share away. Once you're done and can't wait for the world to see your work, hit Publish. You can also right-click and download your comic and publish it anywhere you want. Select any image from your page and right-click on it. Use the Set as Thumbnail option to set the selected image as a thumbnail for your Dashtoon. After you're finished, click the Publish button to enter Publish mode. Here you'll see a preview of your final Dashtoon. Fill in the details like the title, genres, tropes, and description. Then click the Publish button again. There we have it, your Dashtoon published on the app for the world to see. Click on the link to view it and share. Don't forget to subscribe to the YouTube channel to learn how to use AI to up your comic creation game, and follow Dashtoon Studio on socials to stay up to date on all the newest features and for content on how to use them. Join our Discord and be a part of our comic creators community. See you in the next one.